the more uncertain the future becomes, the more we tend to focus on it, psychologically. And the more we focus on it, the more distracted we become about how we put our reasoning together and how we respond to our own emotions. Considering that the very act of thinking, sensing, and feeling happens at the moment we do it, then being cerebrally and psychologically and emotionally focused mainly on the future actually hinders the capability to understand how we assemble our thinking and how we respond to our own emotions. Being in such a state also makes it much more difficult to comprehend the impact of thoughts, ideas, concepts, opinions, and sensations, as general self-awareness tends to decay in favor of an increase in neuroticism. Metacognition occurs when the individual is capable to abstract himself away from his own experiential content.